Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can disable notifications from chosen apps. Start by opening Settings, then choose Notifications and tap on Apps over here. Now you need to select one of your apps and tap on the switcher next to it, for example Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now disabled. You can turn them back on by tapping at the same switcher. But you can also tap on one of your apps, like this, and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!